To make a shop drawing in SketchList 3D, you must be in a two-dimensional view. In this example, I'm going to make this drawing from the left side. Click on the display button, select Shop Drawing, New Drawing. It'll turn it into a wireframe image. Now there are two types of dimensioning you can do. One is a line by line, so you select that button and then pick the line of the item that you want to know the size of. So that. If I want to move that line, I just pick the arrow and take that, move it in another direction. Distance between 2 points, I take the point tool and pick a corner like that corner and pick another corner like that corner, and that gives me the distance. Now I can take again the arrow tool and look at that from is the horizontal. Delete a line, just select the delete tool. One thing to know is you want to be at the correct level of the hierarchy. In this case, I'm dimensioning boards within an assembly. If I wanted assemblies within a project, I'd have to be, of course, at the project level.